Yes. Greetings everyone from all over the world. Um this is Mimi Crypto Tinker, and I'm going to take you through a short presentation of how to place a trade on cycle mode with a capital of $100 for one coin. All right. So without much ado, let's go to our Royal Q app right here. It will bring you to the home page. This is the home page of Royal Q. This whole place is called the home page. All right. So if I want to place a trade on cycle mode, where do I go? You go to quantitative. Okay. Go to quantitative. And the coin I would like to trade is called Shiba. All right. It's called Shiba. So Shiba is among the professional coins. Professional coins are most time very volatile. They move very fast. So you go to your professional, you tap on professional quickly. This is professional. So when you tap on it, you can either scroll or you just go to the search box up here, over here, and you type in SHIB. There you have it. So that's SHIB USDT. All the coins are being traded with the USDT stable coin. Okay. So when you click on SHIB, that's what we are using anyway. Okay. Click on SHIB. It will take you to this page, which is the trade settings page. So what you do is you go to trade settings. This is the next step you get to. Trade settings. You tap on it. Now it's going to bring you to another dashboard. And when you come to this dashboard for the first time, you're going to have a default settings, which is the default settings of Royal Q. You're going to have $10 here, 7 here, but that's not what we're going to use. We're going to use what I have set here for you. Okay, so you make your first buying amount, you make it $15, which is the recommended amount we are supposed to use. All right, and then we make our margin call limits 5 times, meaning anytime the market dips all the way from the first to the 5th margin call, we want the market to buy and sell till the 5th margin call. Then we set our take profit to 1.2%. That's where our take profit is. And then if the market tries to go a little bit above our take profits and is dropping back by 1%, it should what? Close and sell the trade for us without us doing anything. Are you getting me? Then we go to our buy in callback. Set it exactly as you can see it here, 0.2. Then we go to the last one, which is the sub position, 0.1. Sub position when the trade is more than 5 margin calls. Sorry, it's more than 4 margin calls. What do? You set your sub bin position, which is normally in the default setting of 1.3%. So you don't touch it, just leave it as it is and set it here to 0.1. So let me just wipe it off so that you can be able to see it clearly. Set it exactly as you see it here. Then the next thing you do is to come here. All right, click on this margin configuration. This is the most important, the most important aspect of the trading. If you don't do your margin settings well, it can buy more than you expected it to buy because you might not have set it the way you have to. All right, so I've set it in a way that it will buy exactly with the total amount of $90. All right, but we are having a capital of $100 for one coin. Okay, So we tap on margin configuration. I've already set it. So you copy it, you edit it, and then you set it. First buying amount is $2.5, meaning you're telling the market that when it drops from your first buy in amount, it drops by 2.5, it should buy one $15 for you, plus the first $15, which is the first buy in amount. So in total, if the market opens the first buy in amount, it's taking a total of $30 from your USTD into the Shiba coin that we have selected. And then when the market drops again by 1%, it should buy another $15 for you. When it drops again further by 0.8, it should buy another $15 for you. All right. If it drops again by 0.5, it should buy another $15. Then the last one, if it drops all the way to 2%, it should buy another $15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 plus 15 is 30. Another 15 plus 15 is 30, making 60. Then $60 plus $15 will give you 75. So when you get your $75, what do? You plus it by the first buy-in amount. So in total, we're going to have $90 if all these margin calls are picked. We're going to have $90 picked from our USDT on our Binance or Huobi balance, and it will be in Shiba because that's the coin we are trading. Okay, so let me wipe it off so that you can be able to set it. All right, and after setting it, always remember this is the most powerful engine button. You gotta press it. If you do not, you complete these settings and you do not click on this confirmation bar, your trades will be set in the default settings, which your account might not be able to hold. So please, after setting and editing this place, kindly take time. Remember always to click on the confirm button. It's so important to me, please. Most traders are in a rush. After setting, they forget to click on the confirm button. So do that when you complete setting it up. Okay. So after confirming, you wait for a while. You can go back again and see if it's confirmed. Good. You confirm it again. Then the next thing we do is to click on our save, meaning you're telling the robot to save all this you have done, all these settings you have done. You want it to save it for you and go according to it. Okay, so we click on our save button. We wait for it to load. Yeah. Now, our last thing we do is once a trade is more than 4 margin calls, we need to set it to sub-bin mode. So we go here. This is where we set sub-bin mode. All right. So we tap on it. When you tap on it, it will be somewhere here. Okay, for the first time. But I want you to tap here. All right. Over here. And then you do what? You click, always click on your confirm button. Okay, so we click on confirm. And this is where we'll see whether it really picked our sub-bin mode settings, because the trade is more than 4 margin calls. And then we ensure that it's on cycle mode. Okay, if you come here and it's on one shot, you just click here to change it to cycle mode. Okay, but right now it's already on cycle mode, so there is no need to click on one shot because we are doing cycle mode. And that's it for how to set a trade on cycle mode, and it's going to buy and sell. So after completing all the settings, this is the last thing you do. You click on the start button. Once you click on it, you wait for 30 seconds for the order to be picked by the artificial intelligence, and Binance or Hobby picks it, and then it will reflect here. Okay, so basically that is how we set a trade on cycle mode. Everything is set accordingly. Your sub beam mode is on, your cycle mode is on, and your 5 margin calls are also set. So this is good for $100 capital. All right, for one coin. Okay, if you have $200, you use the same settings. If you have $200 free capital, you're gonna trade with 2 coins. Okay, using the same settings. All right, if you have $300, you use 3 coins, and it goes on and on. If you have $1,000, that's a good one. You have $1,000 capital, you're gonna place 10 coins. That's good money, you know. You're gonna place 10 coins, and you see how you're gonna earn every day, every second, every minute. The trade will be closing and buying. So anytime you see a notification up here, you see Royal Q will give you a notification up on your taskbar on your phone, you know a trade has closed or opened. So there's so much, amazing features of Royal Q. One has to jump in because you can make so much wealth with Royal Q. Your money that is sitting at the bank and it's not doing anything, take some, register with $140 and subscribe to the bot for a whole year. Okay, subscribe to the bot for a whole year and fund your Binance or Hobby account with minimum of $100 upwards. Okay, and then trade one coin with the settings and see the magic happen. But there's much more money also in the networking aspect of Royal Q, and I entreat all of you to take the networking aspect because you get much more money from the networking by sharing it with your friends and encouraging them to purchase the Royal Q for a whole year, fund the account, and enjoy this amazing every day there's income on your dashboard. All these monies you see here, they are all in your Binance. All these profits, they are all in your Binance or Hobby accounts. Royal Q does not hold anybody's capital, and that is the beauty of it. You don't give your capital to Royal Q. Your capital is with you in your account, and Royal Q is just helping you do the manual trading that you would have done. The buying and the selling is taking off that stress to do it for you. Isn't that amazing? So why wouldn't you want to, you know, join Royal Q and experience this fantastic stress-free trading life and enjoy daily income, daily income, daily income, daily income. So that's it for our presentation on cycle mood, trading with a capital of $100 on one coin. So catch you in our next presentation. Stay blessed, everyone.